1.4 million work hours are required annually to service the U.S. military's 4,000 active rotorcraft. Their electrical systems are increasingly complex, leading to longer and complex maintenance procedures and subsequent equipment damage due to the increase in complexity. When helicopters' electrical systems need to be serviced, they often require an entire disassembly of the wiring. UAT has designed a new way to manage electrical systems using our patented smart interconnecting clamps. These clamps are embedded with a network of sensors that can map, monitor, and diagnose electrical faults in any electrical system. With UAT's solution, the maintenance process that once took weeks can be reduced to a matter of hours with our clamps and mixed reality application. Mishaps or incidents are increasing over time. UAT's smart clamps can reduce critical errors in electrical systems while simultaneously reducing maintenance time by 75% and weight by 50 to 500 pounds per aircraft, depending on its size. As we modernize aerospace in the 21st century, we must reimagine the way we manage their electrical systems too. The future is now. Find out more at uairtech.com.